Hi there. In this video I'm showing how to lock folder on Windows 10 and 11 PC without any software. First, you have to make sure that you already have the admin or login password on your computer, as you can see here. Okay. Now let me show to you how I can lock this folder. Right-click on it, move down, and then select Properties. On this folder Properties, click on Advanced. Now here click to check this Encrypt Content to Secure Data option. After click on OK. Click on Apply. Here on Confirm Attribute Changes. Move and then select this second option. Apply change to this folder only. Click on OK. Done. Now here you will see that the folder is now protected or encrypted. And now if you want to remove this, all what you have to do is, again, right-click on it. Select File Ownership. Then click on Personal. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and even click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any useful video on this channel. Have a nice time.